Okay, so we're going to do another example of long division of polynomials. This time with the example when it's given to you, the numerator is all mixed up and is not in descending order. So just to remind you that there are four terms. This one has degree 1. This one's a constant called degree 0. This is degree 3 and this is degree 2. But to be in descending order according to the power of the exponent or the degree, then you need to have under the division symbol 4x to the third, then 18x squared, and positive 18x minus 11. On the outside is 2x plus 5 in descending order. Okay? Over here on the other side of the board, I have the scratch work symbol. And like I said, this is stuff that you might do mentally, but I want to make sure you have in your notes. All right? So let's start with division. And remember, we're taking the first term on the left here and dividing by the first term on the left here. So 4x to the third divided by 2x will give us 2x squared. I'm going to circle it because it's going to go up top. It's going to go in the column of degree 2, so it needs to go above the 18x squared. So 2x squared goes here. Okay, the next step in the algorithm, as you may remember, is multiplication. So on this step, we take the 2x squared and multiply by the divisor, 2x plus 5. Here's my scratch work, which gives me 4x squared plus 10x. Sorry, 4x to the third plus 10x squared. Okay, that binomial goes here below these two terms in like term category. Okay, so that's the result you get when you multiply. Remember, the next step is subtraction, so draw your line and change your signs. There you go. Be sure to circle your signs so that you recall that that's the change. Now, we got in the first column the degree 3 terms to cancel. Yay, that's what we wanted. 18x squared minus 10x squared brings down 8x squared when we subtract. And of course, the next step is to bring down the next term, which is positive 18x. Okay, back to the algorithm. Step 1 is division. We take the leftmost term here, 8x squared, and we divide by the leftmost term here, 2x. Okay, so 8x squared divided by 2x will give us 4x. I'm going to circle it because it goes up top. It's positive and it goes in the column of x terms, degree 1. Okay, the next step in the algorithm is to multiply times the outside, the divisor, 2x plus 5. Give us 8x squared plus 20x. And I'm going to underline it. Okay, so we're multiplying 4x times these two terms, so that's distributive property. The result goes here, 8x squared plus 20x. The next step in the algorithm is subtraction, so draw your line and change your signs. All right, we got what we wanted in the left column, these two to cancel out. 18x minus 20x, however, gives us negative 2x. The last step in the algorithm here is to bring down negative 11, start over again. Negative 2x is our leftmost term divided by 2x. Negative 2x divided by 2x is going to end up being negative 1. I'm going to circle it. Okay? If you have any questions about that, let me know. So minus 1 goes here. Now it's time to multiply. So distribute negative 1 through our divisor. And of course that changes the signs, you may recall. And the result goes here. So negative 1 times 2x plus 1, result goes here. Okay, now it's time to subtract. Remember, subtraction means draw your line, change your signs. Okay, got what I wanted here. These two cancel, negative 2x and positive 2x. Negative 11 plus 5 gives us negative 6 remainder. The proper way to write this is the minus sign is going to go between the quotient and the remainder, the fraction remainder. So it'll be minus 6 over the divisor 2x plus 5 like this. minus 6 over 2x plus 5. There you go.